Welcome everybody to Carol's Art Room. I'm going to do a bloom on this 7-inch round. Just going over an old painting. All right. And I'm using some oranges and golds and fall colors. And I'm using my silver again. So I've been doing a lot of colors lately with silver instead of gold. So I'm going to try silver with these colors now. This is Modern Masters metallic silver. It's opaque. And a little bit on the bottom. And I have some JoSonja vermilion. It's like a darker, oh no, that's not the vermilion, sorry. This is quinacridone gold hue. It's like a rusty color. A little bit thick. And I've got gold. This is my Rust-Oleum gold. So this has gold and silver in it. And there's my vermilion. It's like a darker orange color. Got some pearl white. I think I'll leave the pearl white out. I'll just use this. I've got some cad yellow. This is Winsor and Newton cadmium yellow. It's one color that I don't use very often. Okay. Use my black cell activator. Oxide black and Australian Floetrol. Use my mini blower this time. Oh, isn't that pretty? That's funny. Not a lot of the gray came up. There's some here. Here I am. Trying to get gray to show. Maybe I should put that on the top. Just try and get this whole thing to move. Now, I feel like I should do this one again. I'm not feeling this one. I think I might put the orange on top. So let's try this again. So what I'm going to do is just going to put this back in the middle. Sometimes you just don't feel it. I think I'll put the silver on the top. And I'll put the gold on the bottom. I'll just reverse these two. Try a different way. JoSonja Vermilion. I think I'll put the yellow next. And then, oh, this is the vermilion. The one underneath is quinacridone gold hue. Whoa. I think I like this a little better. Not fond of that. That always seems to be one spot of that. Just at the middle. I mean, after all, I wanted the silver to show, so. Okay, looks like it's ready to spin. Not centered very well. Oh, that is pretty. There, my sides are pretty much covered now. I like this one. There, let's see if it's moving. I think it's good. There we go. Look at that. That's a pretty one. Thanks for watching and have a great day. Come back to Carol's Art Room. I'll put this dried wood at the end of the video, the dried result. If you like this, give me a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye. Hi, everyone. Here's my dried canvas. This orange and the silver is so pretty. It dried really good. Sides are cool. I like the sides when it runs down like that. Yeah, it's very pretty. It's got some shine there too. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.